Finland, a land where silence speaks, where nature breathes freely, and where the seasons paint the land in colors both gentle and fierce. Known as the land of 1,000 lakes, Finland is more than numbers. It is an experience, a state of mind, a connection between people and wilderness. Here you do not just visit, you listen, you feel, you belong. In summer, the days never end. The midnight sun lingers on the horizon, a golden flame that refuses to set. Families gather by quiet lakesides, the water still as glass, reflecting forests that stretch without end. A lone canoe drifts across the water. Birdsummer fills the air, and the world feels infinite. In Finland, the lake is not just water. It is home. It is history. It is life itself. Step into the forest, and you step into the heart of Finland. Birch trees sway in the breeze, the scent of pine clings to the air, and soft moss cushions every step. For Finns, the forest is not a wilderness. It is a sanctuary, a place of freedom, healing, and belonging. Here, children learn to wander without fear. Adults find calm in the silence, and every traveler discovers a peace they never knew they sought. The forest is Finland's cathedral, and its silence is sacred. Yet Finland is not only wild, it is also cities where tradition meets modern design. In Helsinki, the capital, the sea sparkles against modern architecture. Trams glide along cobblestone streets. Cafes serve coffee stronger than the northern winter. And the air carries both the history of old Europe and the innovation of the Nordic future. Design is in Finland's soul, in buildings, in objects, in ideas. Minimalist, functional, yet deeply human. Helsinki is more than a city. It is a reflection of Finland's balance between past and present, between nature and progress. And then there is the sauna, the beating heart of Finnish life. Here, stone and steam cleanse not just the body, but the soul. Friends gather, families connect, strangers share silence without need for words. Step from the sauna into the cool air, or dive straight into an icy lake. The shock awakens, the heat soothes, and in that moment, you understand why the sauna is not a luxury, but a way of life. Travel north, and the land transforms into a dreamscape. Lapland, where reindeer roam across snowy plains, and the Arctic sky unfolds its secrets. Here the winter is endless white, a silence broken only by the crunch of snow underfoot and the whisper of the wind across frozen forests. At night, the heavens ignite. The northern lights dance across the sky, green, purple, and red waves of light, a celestial ballet that leaves you breathless. This is not just a spectacle, it is magic, woven into the very fabric of Lapland. In the heart of the Arctic, the Sámi people keep alive traditions as old as the land itself. Their joik songs echo the spirit of ancestors. Their reindeer herds move with the seasons, a rhythm passed down through centuries. The Sámi remind us that culture is not something written in books, but something lived, protected, and cherished. Winter in Finland is not just endured, it is celebrated. Snowmobiles roar across frozen lakes, huskies pull sleds with wild joy, skiers carve through endless trails, and in cozy cabins, fires crackle while snow falls outside, reminding you that warmth feels sweeter when the cold is at your door. This is the paradox of Finland. Its winters are harsh, but its spirit is gentle. In autumn, the forests ignite in ruska, a blaze of orange, red, and gold. The air turns crisp, mushrooms and berries fill the baskets of foragers, and the lakes mirror a fire of leaves upon their surface. It is a fleeting beauty, but one that teaches you every season, every change has its own gift. Beyond nature, Finland is also known for something less visible, yet just as powerful, its people. Here, education is not a privilege, it is a right, a foundation. Children learn not just facts, but curiosity, independence, and kindness. Innovation flows not from competition, but from collaboration. From classrooms to laboratories, from cities to villages, the Finnish spirit thrives on the belief that together we can build something better. And through it all, there is a word that defines the Finnish soul: sisu. It means determination, resilience, the quiet strength to keep moving forward even when the path is steep, the night is long, and the cold is deep. Sisu is why Finland endures, why it thrives, why its people smile through storms and find beauty in the simplest things. So, what is Finland? It is the glow of the midnight sun and the mystery of the northern lights. It is the silence of the forest and the laughter of friends in a sauna. It is the strength of tradition, the promise of progress, and the warmth of a people who live in harmony with their land. Finland is not just a country, it is a feeling, a rhythm of nature and humanity woven into one. When you leave, you carry more than memories, you carry stillness, you carry strength, you carry sisu. This is Finland, a land of light and silence, of fire and ice, of endless beauty, a land that welcomes you not as a visitor, but as a part of its story.